Hi everyone, let's make this beautiful two-color flower using craft paper. So cut a circle, fold it like this, open it. Now we're going to color half paper only. After this, paste using glue, paste it like this, press it and you will get a beautiful petal like this. Similar way, we're going to make 5 such petals and paste all of them together. And look, it's done. Paste a bead at the center, paste its leaves and stick and your flower is ready. Let's make this beautiful flower bouquet. So paste a green stick and paste orange petals on the sheet of paper and pull it upwards and paste it like this. It will give a 3D look to the flower. Now take a yellow craft paper, make multiple cuts on it. After this, we are going to curl all the cuts like this, roll it and we are going to paste it at the center of the flower using double-sided tape. Now paste its leaves and roll it and your bouquet is ready. Let's make colorful rose flowers. So cut the base of the paper cup. Now we are going to fold this yellow paper. Make 35 to 40 such pieces and tuck all of them on the base of the paper cup. One layer and then we are going to put glue and repeat the other layer like this. Repeat the same process one after another and look, your flower is ready. Finally, we are going to open it like this. Remove the paper cup and it's done. You can make more such colorful flowers like this. Let's make colorful flowers. So cut a pink circle and make multiple cuts on it using scissors. Cut V shape at the edge like this. After this, we're going to open the flower and curl it like this. Cut it and roll it and look, you'll get a beautiful flower. Now make multiple cuts on the yellow paper and paste it at the center. Roll green stick and cut it. Now we are going to paste the flower at the top of it using glue. Now we are going to make the leaf of the flower by cutting this green craft paper. Paste the leaves and look, your flowers are ready. You can make more such colorful flowers. Let's make this yellow flower. So we are going to take two different colors, yellow and white, and make multiple cuts on both of them and roll it around this green stick using double-sided tape. Roll both of them like this. Now cut this green paper and make V cuts at the edge. We are making the leaves and sepal of the flower. Cut all of them, paste them on the green stick and look, your flowers are ready. In this video, we are going to make these colorful flowers. So cut the base of the paper cup and make multiple cuts on it. Spread it and color it. We are using colorful colors here and make the eyes and smiley face. Paste green stick, cut the leaf using green craft paper. Paste all of them together and look, your flowers are ready. In this video, we are going to make these beautiful flowers. So we are folding this pink craft paper from its sides and again fold it and make 4 triangulars like this. Now we are going to fold it again and make a mini square. Open all of them like this. We'll get a crease here. Now fold it again from its sides and press it like this. Here we are making 4 mini squares. You can look at here. After this, we are going to fold all the squares like this. Here we are going to make first fold and then pull it upwards like this. We are making the petals here. You will see 4 petals. Flip it and gently press it like this and you will get a shape like this. Now pull all of them. After this, we are going to paste 3 such petals together. Paste the leaves and look, your flowers are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.